I'm great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I am fine too.
Okay. So you are very excited and you are very happy today. So what is behind reason?
No, I am always happy whenever it is a matter of doing something in English subject or English language.
Okay. Great, great. Okay.
Yes,
So this is our first meeting. So would you like to
yes,
introduce
yes,
yourself?
yes, of course. My name is Seekhen. I am from UP. My hobbies are playing badminton, reading English books and newspaper, and I like talking to different kind of people from different places. I make conversational videos and upload on my channel. And apart from these things, my as far as my education is concerned, I am postgraduate in English and I have learned British and American English from foreign teachers. So
Okay.
that's a summarized intro of mine.
Okay. Okay. Great, great, I think. Okay, so may I introduce can I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, so as you know, I'm Anisha. I'm from Maharashtra. I'm housewife, but I want to do something new in my life, so that's why I have started learning this language 2 years ago. And talk about my family. So there are six members, including me, mother-in-law, father-in-law, my husband, and my two children. And simultaneously, I am also YouTuber. Yes, so learning purpose, I have created my YouTube channel 1.5 year completed. And talk about my hobbies. So I like play piano, I like ride cycle, and I like play with kids. And earlier I used to stay in Mumbai, uh, almost 10 years, but now I came back my hometown. So now I have started teaching basic English in my village because in my village, though no any environment in English, so that's why. So I'm teaching their basic English and I'm guiding them and I'm motivating them because I want to become motivational speaker. So yeah, this is about me. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. It means you teach the students, especially from village areas.
Yes, yes, yeah. But I don't like go out and make videos, so that's why I do not go. Sometime I go, sometime I do not go. Yeah.
Yeah, even this is also a good kind of platform where we can talk to different people and we can learn different kind of things from others.
Yes, 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 absolutely. Okay.
And ma'am,
Then do we have
yes,
no? Do we have any question? If you have, so you can ask me.
yes, of course. Do your students understand your English when you speak before them?
Please say again. Pardon.
Actually, a tractor is going through this way, that's why. I said, do your students understand when you speak English before them?
Instant.
Yeah, do they understand your English when you speak in front of them?
Nowadays I can understand what they are speaking. Earlier I was not.
No. You teach some students, right?
I couldn't understand what you are saying. That is word.
Oh, will I have to remove this?
Please say again. I try to understand.
I said, you teach some students,
Students.
yeah,
Okay, okay,
students,
okay.
and can they understand your English?
No, 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 no. They can't understand because in village, in village, not that much environment, and all the village people they like to speak only our mother tongue, and so that's why they do not understand. But they are ninth standard and 10th standard and college student. College student catch immediately what I'm saying. They understand, but they're not able to speak. Always they feel hesitation. But they understand English college students. But ninth standard and 10th standard they're not. But now little bit they understand what I am teaching. But I do not teach all the thing in English because if they do not understand, so how can means if I teach them, so how can they understand, then how can they it will be messy thing there, so that's why I want to make them understand properly, and whatever I'm teaching there, so I want to they learn there, not only a subject they want, they my thought is they should start speaking what I'm speaking. So now I'm putting there more effort, so I'm teaching their my mother tongue Marathi, so Marathi through English, English through Marathi, like this. Yeah.
Okay, it means you can speak Marathi too.
Yes, yes. Because of my mother tongue is Marathi, but I can speak Hindi as
Okay.
well.
So if we have to say good morning, so how should we say it in Marathi language?
Good morning, Suprabhat.
In Marathi too.
Yes, Suprabhat.
Okay. How are you?
Kase आहात? If there
Oh
were
God.
if there were friend, so you can say kasa आहेस. uh, and if there were means elder people, so you can say polite way, तुम्ही कसे आहात.
Oh, it's so tough. We cannot learn this. We cannot understand it.
Yes, yes. Every
Actually,
language before learning, every language before learning, we think, okay, that is language very difficult. Because before learning this language, I used to think also, I think this is not cup of tea for me, very difficult language. But when I started learning, so I mean, I started enjoying my process. So now I'm enjoying, yeah, so much.
do you know some other languages except Marathi and English?
No, no, sorry, I don't know really. But
Okay, I
Punjabi and Gujarati language, if people speak, so I can understand. But I am not able to speak.
okay.
Yeah,
You're from Hindi medium school or English medium?
Marathi medium, not Indian, not
Marathi
English.
medium.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah, yes, yes, yes.
okay.
You tell me about your village. Where are you from? I think I didn't recall.
UP, yes.
UP, UP. Okay, okay. Yeah, your background is very nice, means greenery. So this
Yeah,
is
you can.
your place.
No, no, I'm not in the village. This time I am in the city. You can see a lot of buildings are
Oh,
here.
oh. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Great, great, great. Okay, so
Yeah.
you mentioned your conversation. You like to read. You like to read book. So, when did you start reading book? Are you reading English book or any other book?
No, no, English books, especially English books. Because as I
Okay,
told you, I have done everything in English, so English books.
you have been teaching.
What?
You are teacher. You are teacher. Are you teacher?
Uh, I teach sometimes,
Okay, okay.
and
Please
I'm
say,
about.
don't hide, don't hide. Please say, don't hide. So you are where you are teaching means in the school. Are you teacher means in the school or you have your own institute?
No, no, no. Actually, I teach on YouTube till now, but very soon I'm about to start offline coaching.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
because there are some students who are requesting me for teaching them. They have some problems in understanding foreigners like Britishers,
Mhm.
Americans, Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese, Russian, German.
How
Actually,
many language do you speak?
no, actually, whenever they speak English at that time, there are some variations, some differences, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So it is tough to understand.
Okay, okay. I think you are a very different person. I think. Yes, yes.
What do you mean by difference?
Different means you mentioned means what is your teaching Japanese language also? Mean
Not Japanese. I said the the accent in which they speak,
okay.
like Chinese. Whenever Chinese people speak, at that time, if they have to say five, five,
Yeah, five.
sorry, okay, five.
Yes.
So at that time, they cannot speak it properly. Like when
Hmm.
va, five. V
Okay.
sound, that is a Y sound, when it comes in the end of a word, at that time they cannot pronounce that properly. So they
Hmm.
just remove it. So instead of saying five, they say pie. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Means we have the different. What can I say? Oh my God, I'm not able to recall. So means you are teaching their American accents and Japanese accent like this.
Yeah, like this. I mean, how to
So
understand them? As I told you, that this is a
that's why I
difference.
told you. That's why I told you you
Yeah,
are a different person.
and in the same way, there are other people who speak, vowel sound, unvowel sound, strong,
Mm-hmm.
weak forms. All these kind
Okay.
of things are there. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and pronunciation, how to pronounce the words properly. Like
Mm-hmm.
vitamin. People say vitamin.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so how did
Yeah,
you
so
learn this everything?
it is vitamin or vitamin. Both the things are right in
Yeah.
British or and American English. But if someone
Mm-hmm.
says vitamin in English, it is completely incorrect.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. No, I learned these things from foreign teachers.
Okay. Foreign teachers. So, are you
Yeah.
taking online classes?
No, there is a teacher. Not there is only one teacher, but I followed some teachers from foreign. So they teach about this thing that how to pronounce something properly,
Hmm.
so that the people in the entire world may understand you. They can understand you. So there was a teacher in America, Los Angeles, America. That teacher told us, I mean, the people who were there for learning English, for buying some books and dictionaries like Oxford, Oxford, Cambridge,
Yeah.
Merriam-Webster,
Yes.
Collins,
Cambridge sign.
Longham, yeah,
Hmm.
so all these kind of things and some books that were really very helpful for us to understand Americans
Hmm.
and other people too. So as I told you that in this way the Chinese people speak. So I have learned all these things from those books. I have never
Okay.
gone to China for seeing these things.